So we just woke up. We came here in the dark and we woke up at this nice place. Just like a nice place. It has this thing and this thing and this stream, things to sit on, and two nice little vans. Very cozy.
Understand like how they be a little British before they could do like proper. The story is we're standing like this and then this Frederic open the door. Oh, no names. Somebody open the door. Kaboof! Kaboof! But I like it better this way. Like in Pisa.
So today we're just gonna drive. It's a driving day. It's exciting. So in case you were wondering, all this water you see is the sea. It's not a lake. It's the fjords bringing the oceans like 40 kilometers inland right here.
Culture, memory, an old Norwegian farm. This is what a Norwegian old house looks like. And in here they kept some cheese, maybe.
So here it is. The water makes this thing spin, I guess, and you have corn in this. And I'm not sure how it works. The stones going together. Well, maybe it's between here. Yeah, it's in the hole, and it's between these two plates, I guess.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Can you imagine they use this? They're like standing here, like just doing my job 24/7, my entire life, making corn on this rock. Pretty cool. Camera is soaked again, like the 4th or 6th time on this trip. Our new camera. I'm getting panicked. Are you okay? What do you think of this waterfall?
It's cool! I give it 5 out of 5 wet waterfalls. You can't swim in it, but it's powerful.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Nej, det är norsk folkdans.
Det är halv.
Making some
De
spaghetti.
hoppar upp och sparkar en hatt. Sån här liksom kickflip-sparkar. Det är massa volter i.
Kickflip.
Sök hallingdans.
Nondescript girl from behind in front of a waterfall.
Perfect.
Alla bara,
Staring
det är
into
din
the
tjej. Och du
distance.
bara, det är min syster.
Action.
This is the Hardanger Bridge.
So it's pouring rain, and Evelina just have to play with this bridge. Look at her. Or just getting help. Yay! She's so big.
We are closing up to the real Hardanger Bridge. Come on, come on. Go away, house. I want to see the bridge.
Go away, house. And go away, trees.
Oh, cut them
Go
down.
away, trees.
So much trees.
There it is. Oh, trees, more trees.
There it is.
The Hardanger Bridge. The
Hardanger
real
Bridge.
one. It's hanging and it's long.
It's bouncing, boy.
Boing, boing.
We're on the bridge.
Real bridge. And he had an automatic toll, 150 crowns to cross the bridge.
150?
Yeah, that's pretty expensive.
We should have taken the ferry.
It's a pretty sweet bridge though, and it ends in a hole. Look at that.
Oh, oh, oh.
Whoa! It's a roundabout, and it's inside a tunnel.
No, it's a disco roundabout inside
It's
a tunnel.
Disco.
One more lap. One more lap.
So next up is Bergen. So we're gonna visit my grandmother. My mom is from Bergen, and my grandmother is in old people home, a home in Bergen, and she's super old. She's like 94, I think. Yeah, and still holding up. Oh yes, she's letting us go. Thank you.
Thank you, big guy.
My grandmother is 96. She's 96. So that was very nice. My aunt came by, so that was sweet. She had lots of sweets. So that's good. Right. Welcome to Bergen. So this is Norway's second largest city. It's constantly raining, so we bought an umbrella. And this is the birthplace of my mother. That's why we visited my grandmother. And let's check it out. Saying there aren't bad weather, only bad clothes.
It's
Yeah, good translation. Yay, Main Street.
This is king crab. Like if you work with the fishermen to take this up, it's like they are really, really deep. So it's a really well-paid job, and that's why they are so pricey. Let's try some whale meat.
Tastes like meat.
Yeah. Whale fishing is a really political question, so let's not bring that up now. It actually smelled really good. I thought it was gonna smell fishy fish, but it smelled fishy fish, like fishy fish.
I'm so glad we bought this umbrella. It has saved our lives.
Oh, so this is it?
Yeah,
This is all the houses?
so we're inside them now.
I have not sure where they are.
so many waterfalls here right now. Because of the rain, there's just waterfall down all the fjord sides. You can just see white water everywhere. It's just super sweet. Look at this, it's beautiful.
Another waterfall!
Look at this stream. It's so intense. You can see it's just flooding much more than usual. Let's go further down. So much water.
Have you showered now?
Yeah, I'm soaked. Again. We just got dry. Oh. That's beautiful.
How's your camera?
What?
I wanna go too!
Crossing Sognefjord. It's the largest fjord in Norway and the second largest in the world. It's about 205 kilometers long.
Where's the longest one?
In Greenland, obviously. So there's no shame to lose against them on that one. This ferry was 345. Pretty solid. Okay, team meeting.
Team meeting.
Lots of rain everywhere. So because Johannes is so tired of the rain, we might make some changes, you know. He just can't handle it.
False. Never trust a Norwegian.
Okay, so maybe we could go up to the, because there's a place called the Troll Wall. It's the highest vertical wall
in Europe.
Do you want to see that?
Yay!
Because also up there it could be better weather. Be better weather.
That would be sweet.
And we have...
Let's just drive.
It's close to the glacier Birkedalsbreen. It's close to Stryn. This is like also a place where you can go skiing in the summer.
Maybe not this summer though.
Maybe not this summer.
Because it's been the best summer ever.
Not the best.
Until this week!
Yeah! Woo! And then we decided to go Vanlife.
So my peace was disturbed by this.
Woo! Yeah!